Dear friends, I'm Frank Fu with 9 years of experience in international trade. I have been on the front lines of global commerce, not only as a sales manager, but also as a strategic partner dedicated to creating markets and driving international growth.
At Liaoning Steel Structure Company, every project starts with precision engineering and silent-focused solutions. The beam and column structures we have done some special customized, so this can reduce more installation time for customer. This is a project in Chicago, USA, and this one is in Baku, Azerbaijan. Both of the projects will delivery on time, meeting every technical specifications and local standard. I think the secret to success is provide customers with better products and solve their problems with less cost.
You will be proud to work with a future international company. Let's build something extraordinary together.